Alright guys, good evening and welcome to CRAY-Z. In today's episode we're bringing back the tug-of-war Demolition. Now, we got two divisions. We have the heavyweights and then the lightweights. And then the winners from those two are going to compete. So stay tuned for this episode of CRAY-Z. Alright guys, so here we are. We got the cars locked up. We're going to set them up. And then what's going to happen is we're going to do the best of 3 runs. And what we're testing is 4-wheel drive versus speed power. And the first one to get pulled out of the circle loses. So we're going to do 3 rounds of that, and then we're going to repeat it with the lightweights. So this is what the track looks like. I'm going to drag you around like a rag doll. You hear me, hun? I'm going to drag you around like a rag doll.
You think so?
Okay. You ready?
Is that? No!
Yeah, baby! Take that! Woo! You ready? Oh yeah? Okay, one more time, hon. Best out of 3, right? Even though I won twice, so that means I think I'm officially the winner of that one. Ready? On your mark, get set, go! Whipping you around, honey. You're squirming like a worm, baby. You're squirming like a worm. You got nothing. You're going nowhere. Haha, yeah. All right. Next is the toy grade. All right, guys. Same scenario. Different class. We're going to the lightweights. I got the New Bright dash cam, and she's got the New Bright Rebel. We're gonna rehook, and we're gonna try it again. This time, I got the 4-wheel drive. And she's got the 2-wheel drive. That one's got a heart. So let's see what happens. Okay. Okay, rehook. There's somewhere.
It's not even.
That's fine. Alright. We are rehooked. 4-wheel drive against 2-wheel drive. On your mark. Get set. Go! Oh no! There, take that, honey! Take that! Oh! Come back here! Come back here! This was not thought out very well, hon.
It just flipped right over.
This was not thought out very well. Good job, Marcus.
Like
Bringing them back.
It was like this. What?
I think I need a rehook. Am I allowed to get a rehook in the directions?
No.
Ready? On your mark. Get set. Go.
My battery died.
Yes, I got it. I already won that one, honey. Best 2 out of 3. Rehook.
Ready?
On your mark. Get set.
Go!
Go. Oh, hon. That's not even fair, honey. No, come on, yeah, come on. Come on. We're at a standstill here, hon. Let me get a better grip. Come on. No. That's it. All right, that's fine. I get to drag you around the next round. Okay, we're gonna rehook. All right, guys, time for the third and final round. Heavyweights versus lightweights. Check this out, guys. That's what we're up against. Ready, hon?
No. You get dragged like a rag. Ready?
On your mark. Get set.
Go.
Go! Come on, hon. I'm letting you. Ooh, no, not happening. Hey, hon, I think I won. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, your mark. Set, go! Oh no! I think you won that time, hon. All right. Okay.
My battery died. That was like that was crazy. Yeah. Daddy was
What?
right around and he just took. What's this sound? Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Is it gonna be me and Marcus? Yeah. You can't drag this.
Going for a speed run. Oh no!
I got the
Yeah, you're dancing.
Yeah.
You're dancing, buddy. Good job. Thanks, bud.
I got the wheel.
What? What's wrong? Oh, yeah, it's got to be fixed. Ha!
It was
Yeah.
turning.
Yep. Oh, don't do that. Okay. That part's fixed. Okay. Good to go. Okay. Oh, I gotta fix it again. Oh, time to go. Battery's dead. Alright guys, that's our show for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you liked your scene, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Come check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. There's the mini crew. And so we had some pretty good fun today. We were just messing around. So I guess we've seen who the real winner was, huh, hon? This beast just ate him up and spit him out. So thanks for watching, guys. And don't forget, just keep droning.